Right, so now that we downloaded Qubes and verified its integrity, so we're sure that it did not get modified by anybody else since it was released by the Qubes developers, the next step is to flash Qubes to a USB stick so we can use that USB stick to install Qubes. Now, we're going to use a program called Etcher. This is the exact same program that we used to flash Tails to a USB stick. So, as we know, this program runs on Windows, Linux, and OS X. I have its download page in here. All you have to do is just go to it. It will automatically detect what operating system you have, click on download, and install it. You can also use this drop-down menu to download it for other operating systems if it did not detect your operating system properly. Now, I will not show you how to download and install it because I've already showed you how to do that previously. If you don't remember how to do that, please go back to the lecture where we flashed Tails to a USB. So, what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to run Etcher and use it to flash Qubes to my USB stick. Now you'll notice using it is identical to the way that we used it with Tails, but I'm just going to do it again for the sake of completion. So first of all, you want to click on select image to select the image that you want to flash to a USB stick. So we're going to navigate to my downloads where I downloaded Qubes, and I'm going to select the Qubes ISO image that I downloaded in the previous lecture. We're going to click on open, and that's it selected. The next thing is we need to select the drive that we want to flash this Qubes image to. Now, I haven't connected my USB stick yet, so I'm just going to connect it to my computer. And as you can see, it will automatically get detected by Etcher. If this wasn't the correct USB stick that you want to flash Qubes to, you can click on change and select the USB device that you want. Keep in mind the USB stick that you're going to pick in here will be formatted. Everything stored on it will be deleted. So if you're sure this is the correct one, you can click on flash to start the process. We're going to click on yes to continue. And all we have to do right now is just wait for Etcher to flash the image that we selected, which is the Qubes image, to the USB stick that we selected. Okay, perfect. So now the process is complete. As you can see, the image was flashed successfully. So now the USB stick that we selected can be used to boot into the Qubes installer. So in the next lecture, I'll show you how to boot into that and how to use it to install Qubes as a main operating system, or use it to install Qubes on another USB stick so that we have a USB stick with a live Qubes installation that we can use to use Qubes on any supported computer regardless of what operating system it runs.